very early.
I want to shower. We've got a lot of errands to do today, so let's do that.
What the dog do?
Bed is done. We'll have coffee first.
Did you have lunch last night?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why is there about
I did have. I'm sorry. I just had a bit, not too much. Nahuli niya akong kumain ng lunch flan last night. Hindi kasi pwede sa akin yung milk. Pero nagutom ako last night eh. So, kumain ako. Pero konti lang. Nag-bloat kasi yung chan ko whenever I have normal milk. Pero you know, ang sarap kaya ng lahat-lahat ng mga kung ano-ano with milk. So, diba? So, while having coffee, magliligpit muna tayo dito sa kwarto because it looks like a mess. Diba ang kalat? What?
That's messy and
Makalat.
Makalat.
Am I makalat?
Yeah.
I wouldn't accept it. I'm makalat. Am I makalat?
No. Why not?
I'm makalat? Tell me honestly.
No, you're not Makalat.
That's okay. You know what? You can tell me I spend a lot, but I'm not makalat. No. Ganyan talaga kami every morning since day one. Like, it's always good vibes every morning. And it's good. Anyway, ang dami ko sinasabi. But while I am having my coffee, let's clean the room. Because sobrang messy talaga. May kailangan akong gawa ng content. And then, yan, mga ganyan. Ang dami ko kasing kalat recently. Kasi nga, ayan o, yung mga, oh my God. That's the reality of life. Yung dirty clothes kasi namin is nasa kitchen. I don't want it inside the room. Kasi ayokong bumaho yung room. So, after coffee, maliligo lang ko so that I could really start my day. But before that, let's call Femi first. Good morning! Hi! Gano'n ka? OMG! Naligo ka na?
Yes.
Pag-artista ka na mag-ilis para sa inyo Christmas Eve, manghilambos, kaliwat mo sunscreen, ma-moisturizer, ha? Okay, say hi to my vlog, Anay.
Hi.
Charge your phone, please. Charge your phone because I'm gonna call you a lot later. Ah, sige na. Love you, bye. Bye. Love you!
Love you.
Okay, bye. So, ilalak ko muna yung phone niya para ma-charge. Kasi etong batang to, she likes to use her phone kahit nagcha-charge. So, I'm gonna lock you for now. If there are some mommies watching this vlog, do you know na pwede nyo malak yung phone ng anak nyo kahit nasa malayo kayo? That's what I do. Because I want to monitor her screen time. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, I have an access. There's like a family link. Yun yung nakalink sa phone niya. And isang click ko lang here, malalak yung phone niya. So, you can monitor your kids' screen time. And at the same time, mapapatay nyo siya if it's time to sleep. Gusto ko well-rested siya before she goes to school. So, need to link your email address to her phone, something like that. Let me know if you wanted to know about more of this kasi I'm very happy to share it with you. It's very helpful, and at the same time, not just monitoring them, also pag nawala yung phone nila, you can monitor where it is. Then example, pag nanakaw yung phone, maa-alarm yung nagnakaw na you're tracking it. So marami siyang use, to be honest with you. So yeah, just let me know. Medyo nababother ako sa salamin ko.
What the dog doing?
Ayun na nga, nakapag-shower na. We have a lot of errands to do today. We need to go to a store because I need to get a red table napkin kasi gusto kong mag-table setting for tonight's dinner. Even kami lang naman ni Sam dalawa. I wanted to make it special kasi I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time we're celebrating Christmas dito sa bahay namin. Or I mean, Christmas Eve dito sa bahay namin because we usually go to our friend's house or nasa labas kami. And we're doing the same thing on the New Year's Eve. We wanted to keep it quiet and simple this year, though we still have a lot of errands to do today, so we will do that. And aside from the errands na gagawin namin, I need to have my nails done. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung nails ko. Mahaba na siya. I do my nails every month kasi, alam mo yun, ang nakakatuwa kaya, nakakaganda kaya pag maganda yung nails, di ba? Bongga. Anyway, I'll just blow dry my hair, do my skincare and my makeup. So, yeah, let's do it. Ayun na nga, hindi pa rin ako tapos. So, nakapag-blower na, makeup na ako. So, ngayon, yung gagawin ko, magka-curl ako ng hair. And this time, I want to show you kung ano yung ginagamit ko. This is my current favorite hair tool from Tymo. This is actually a cordless hair tool that you could bring anywhere. That's one of the favorite things that I liked about it. Pero sobrang dami pa. And hindi ka matatakot because hindi ka mapapasok while ginagamit mo to. And actually, you can bring it anywhere. Like, if you're watching TV, you can actually use this. If you wanted to get yours, I will put the discount links in the description box. If you could just check that. This is really worth it. Especially sa mga taong like me na ayaw na nagmamadali. Or, if talagang nagmamadali ka and you don't have a chance to fix your hair at home, pwede mong dalhin to sa sasakyan or wherever, or if you're going on an event, just go to the toilet, do your hair, done. And you know what? It will just take you 10 to 15 minutes to do your hair. It's very fast. And nag-last talaga yung curl niya. So just check the description box. I'll put the link in there so you'll get 20% discount. You just put your hair in there and press the button. If you hear that beep, that means it's ready. So, ayun na nga. Tapos na akong mag-get ready. And then, ginamit ko na din tong microphone ng DJI Osmo ko. This is the first time I'm using it. So, kasi lalabas kami. And I really need this. Sama kayo sa amin sa mga gagawin naming errands. Let's go. Gee, it's cold! It is cold! But yeah, let's do it. Kailangan naming umuwi right away. Hindi na kami magkakape. We'll just buy something for lunch. It's very sunny. Pero ang lamig. Like, it's 5 degrees but it feels like 4. And hindi ako nag-jacket. Pero I layered. Nakadalawang layer ako right now. Pero malamig pa rin siya. But we're not gonna be staying outside for long. We'll be inside the store. So, that would be fine. Since it's sunny right now, I'm using the sunglasses I've got from Firmo. Got it in Firmo, and if you wanted to get yours, ilalagay ko yung discount link sa description box so you could get your own. You can actually get a 10% discount with it. Yeah, just use my link. They've actually got a lot of options for glasses. Not just sunglasses, meron din silang mga eyeglasses. If may grade yung mata mo, you can actually send them your grade and then they will do it for you. Ang mahal ng eyewears dito sa UK sobrang mahal. With Firmo, it's really affordable. Talagang hindi sasakit yung bulsa mo with very cheap and magaganda, and they actually have a lot of designs. So check out yours now. Don't forget to use my link. It will be in the description box.
What the dog doing?
Okay. Love? Parang nasa bahay lang, tinawag. We're not buying a lot, don't worry. So don't need a basket. Wala kaming makitang tablecloth. Ubus na ata lahat. Paano kaya daw? Should we check P&M?
Might as well.
Might as well.
I'll
Okay.
see you in here.
Okay, let's go. Hindi na pa ako nagsasalita. Hindi ko pala na-press yung record. That's so annoying. Anyway, pupunta kaming B&M because we really need to look for that tablecloth. Kasi gusto ko talaga ng tablecloth na cloth talaga siya. But if, if we can't really find one, we could get the tissue type, the paper type. That will do. Look at that! Cutie! Oh, that's sad. Super sad naman. Nakakasad naman. Wala kaming makita. Wala kaming nakita sa The Range or B&M na tablecloth na gusto ko. I want something Christmassy. I want something red. Pero wala talaga kaming makita. Okay, nasa TK Maxx na kami. And we will get the table napkin and we will get the hot bulk and we're going home. I'm hungry. Sobrang gutom na ako. At sobrang gutom ko talaga, me. Like, malala. Promise. Nahihiya pa din talaga akong mag-vlog pag maraming tao. Lalo na pag may nakatingin sa akin. OMG. Hindi talaga ako masanay-sanay. Hopefully one day masanay talaga ako. Hopefully. This is cute. No? This is cute. Or, this one. Cute. Christmassy?
Yeah.
Maganda to. That one's cute as well. The one that you just hold. Do you like that? Or you like this better?
That one.
This one. We'll get this one. Okay. Let's get out of here. Or,
Yeah, I'm gonna get ready for Easter now.
how could they get ready for Easter? It's not even Christmas yet. Paano sila mag-ready for Easter? Hindi pa nga Christmas. Bukas pa yung Christmas. So, how can they do that, Char? Diba? Cute. Ang ganda. Yay. Let's go now. So you want to spend more? What did they say? Paper bag mo? Oh, so they're kabayan then. Talagang nag-exert kami ng effort para lang sa table napkin na to. Tapos ang ending wala kami nakita. Tapos, nag-tissue na lang kami na may design. Ano ba yan? But that's okay. That will do. Oh my God, I forgot I don't have a jacket. It's cold right now. Nakikita niyo yan? 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 Yung sky na yan? Yan? Scam yan. Maliwanag pero sobrang lamig. Scam, Char. Oh, yes please. Nilalamig ako. Anong karapatan ko maglakad ng walang jacket? Nahihiya pa rin ako mag-vlog na yun talagang igaganon ko yung camera sa mukha ko. Nahihiya ako kasi nakatingin pa rin sila. So, we're now on our way home kasi gutom na ako. Bahay na kami and I'm gonna call the Fambam in the Philippines. We've got everything that we need. We've got it and then we've got something for lunch. So we will eat it while speaking with the Fambam. Oh, that is so cute. Look at their handa. Bongga naman ang handa ng mga to. Yan yung handa nila sa Pilipinas. Nakakatuwa naman. I'm jealous. Hindi sila nasagot. I'm sad. Just wait for her to call me back. Thank you so much, my love.
Welcome.
Yes. You're so pretty!
Ay, wow.
Why? You're so pretty! Oh, look at her! Oh my god! You're so sexy! You're so beautiful! Look at her! Oh my god! She's grown! Oh, she's no longer a baby! It's making me cry now. Ka-video call ako ngayon with the Fambam in the Philippines. Kinonect ko yung tablet ko dun sa TV namin so it's more bigger. So napapanood ko sila sa TV. Pero naka-video call lang ako sa kanila sa Messenger. Ito yung rason ko bakit ayoko lumabas. Mas gusto ko to. Gusto ko magstay sa bahay yun. Christmas Eve para mapanood ko sila kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Kasi with the time difference, pwede naman kami mag-ready for hours. Pero for the time being, Philippines muna tayo.
Hi, Mom. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Get to answer.
Thank you! Aww! Naiyak ako. Wala nanonood sa kanila. Ano ba yan? Look up for me! 11:39 in the Philippines. They're still playing games. So, nanonood pa rin ako sa kanila. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna wrap some gifts. Okay, so it's 4 o'clock and my nail appointment is at 4:30. I think I have to rush up everything. I think we're leaving at 4:15. I'm not done with the wrapping yet. Siguro, i-continue ko na lang mamaya to. Let's go. Let's have my nails done. Look at the sky. It's beautiful. Diba? Ang ganda. Diyan ako pupunta. And babalikan na lang ako mamaya. Kauwi ko lang. I've just had my nails done. And look at these beautiful nails. Diba? Very Christmassy. I love it. Hindi na ako nag-vlog doon kasi nahiya ako. And at the same time, parang I don't want the other people to be uncomfortable. Kaya hindi na ako nag-vlog doon. Sobrang lamig sa labas. It's super malamig. Diba? Ang cute niya. Cute! Since bago yung nails natin, magluluto tayo.
What the dog doing?
I will cook all of this pasta kasi dadalhin ko din siya tomorrow sa mga in-laws ko. Siri, 8 minutes. I'm gonna start with the sauce. O, diba? May palight tayo dito kasi medyo madilim. Paprika, Italian seasoning, pepper, salt, chili flakes, pasta water, Nestle cream. We will just put a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of sweetener. Mix. Sarap na ito. Look at the pasta. Oh. Set na ako ng table. I'll just keep it simple na lang. I don't want to complicate things, so we'll just keep it simple. That's cute. The table is set for dinner. And we are going to eat now. Let's eat, everybody.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Super good.
What the dog doing?
That's for today's video, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Merry Christmas.